Oh, do I have a special treat for you guys today? I'm going to make a chicken sorrentino, which is one of my favorites that we used to make in the restaurant when I was owning it. Um, for those of you who don't know me, my name's Adam Khan. This is Cooking with Adam Khan and Lee Ju. Before I forget, do me a favor, give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, make some comments, and chime in. Let me know what you think. I really like chatting with you guys and seeing what you like and what you don't like. So feel free to reach out and tell me whatever you think. So I'll tell you real quick what the dish is, and then I'll show you how to make it. But you're going to get to see two things in once because I'm going to make some eggplant parmesan first. Now, one of the things we do is we use cheese. We get some pecorino that I had freshly grated instead of breadcrumbs when we make the eggplant. Uh, um, I got some prosciutto. I got some mozzarella. You can substitute provolone if you like. I just wanted to get mozzarella today, and I like mozzarella. I got some chicken breasts that we've already butterflied. I'll pound them out a little bit. Some eggs that we're going to flour and use for the cheese with the eggplant. I have some brandy that we're going to cook in and some marinara that I made earlier. So we'll mix that with the brandy. It gives a great flavor. And I made pasta a couple days ago. I put a little bit of oil on it, like I've explained, kept it in the fridge. So we'll just warm that up when we're ready to eat and get going from there. So again, give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and keep an eye, keep watching. All right, I'll show you how to do the eggplant real quick. We'll do a couple of them and then probably do high speed. You probably want to double dip here, but you want to do egg wash and then into the cheese. Press real hard to get it to stick. See, it won't be a whole ton, which is why we'll do a double dip. Back into the egg wash. Right back in, give it a good press. And then we'll put it to the side and do it again. Now, the other thing is you want to make a nice big pot with oil to fry it in. This makes excellent eggplant if you want to do like eggplant parm or anything like that as well. It's not just for the Sorrentino dish, which is why I made extra because might as well do the whole piece and make a nice big batch to do some eggplant parm with as well. So pretty easy. Hope you guys see it. I'll finish the rest of these up. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I'll come back and show you how to cook the dish. All right, here we go for the cooking. I'll talk you through it. 2 ounces butter to start. You want to cook that down, not too hot because you don't want it to separate. So I'll turn it down a bit. You want to be real careful when you get to the part with the brandy. It's extremely flammable. So you don't want to, much more so even than marsala. So I'll actually probably turn the flame off and then turn it back on. So you take the chicken with the prosciutto side down, right into there. All right. 1 and 2. Just like that. We'll give that about 3 or 4 minutes to cook. Then we'll flip it over for another minute or two before we add the eggplant, and we'll add the brandy. All right, it looks like it's time to give it a flip. Nice color, see that? I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. Give it another 2 minutes, and then I'll turn the flame off to add the brandy to try not to burn the house down. Don't need too long on this side because it'll continue to cook in the sauce and everything else. All right, turn the flame off. I'm going to move it over a bit. Be careful because it can light just from being hot. All right, we'll let that burn off a bit. Put the flame back on because we do want it to cook. I see how that's getting the chicken nice and colored real well, making it dark too. Eggplant. Eggplant. Without burning my hand off. Now we want a good amount of sauce too. Maybe about 10 or 12 ounces of gravy, marinara, whatever you call it. And just for a bit like that.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming
It smells so good. I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna get a piece of chicken first. Oh my god, the flavor is so good. The chicken's really juicy. The flavor's amazing. It's so good. 要按导演笑。